Good morning, everyone. I know it has been a while since you've heard my voice. We're here with another driving video, and today's destination is Temple Hall Square. So we're heading through Stony Hill to Temple Hall. Currently we're on Dunrobin Avenue and we're making our way up. So today is a Wednesday morning. It is now 5 minutes to 11 and it's actually Wednesday, March 2nd, Ash Wednesday. So it's not a typical Wednesday. So it's not as busy, not as congested today. We actually have another video on the channel that was showed up to Manor Park, right?
Yeah, to Manor Park.
Right. So we're gonna go a little bit beyond that today for the persons who love our driving videos. So I heard that a lot of persons were asking for me for a while now. I was missing in action, but I promise I'm gonna make it up to y'all and make myself available for these driving videos, because you know we love an adventure, right?
Yep.
Want to big up as usual Diane, Denise, Sam, all of the persons who are communicating with us.
Platt.
Andrew,
big up. Yeah, big up on my virgin too. Come on. Vibes Addict. Big up Vibes Addict. Big up every time. General, then I'm WhatsApp how long as my virgin, but your name was say we run Jamaica walk by. So big up Vibes Addict. Big up every time. Yeah, can go on. Take it over.
Andrew Hernandez, big up yourself. You're always supporting.
Tiffany, big up yourself too. Yeah,
and as usual, anybody that we forgot to name, you are no less important to us. We just want to thank you all for the support. So, as we said before, I already have a video showing this area. Heading up to Manor Park. Not gonna do a lot of talking because we want you just to see what is happening. Hope you enjoy the video. Heading up to rural St. Andrew. Considering that it's not a congested day, you get a chance to see the natural happenings at the place. Expecting some lush vegetation when we head up past Manor Park, going up to Stony Hill, then Temple Hall. So, as usual, thank you always for watching. For the persons who have been donating, thanks a million. For the persons
who... Thanks. Remember, all I persons who donate, me always stress it, big up on yourself. I must say, every small donation is actually accepted and really appreciated. So, bless up for all of that. We have some giveaway videos to post. You know, like, I will tell you all about that in coming time. So, big up every time. And actually, I was gonna say something a while ago too, you know, but somehow I don't know, or me forget.
Also, please look out for us on Instagram. We have an Instagram page, same Jamaica Walk By. On that platform, we are trying our best to promote small businesses, whether Jamaica or overseas. Once it's, you know, brand Jamaica, talents, you have a small business, anything like that, we do free promotion. So you can always contact us and we will definitely promote your business for you.
Definitely. I will put the number on the screen, so you will see the number that you will message, send your photos, your video, whatever it might be, to showcase your business, your talent, stuff like that. So we'll post those on our Instagram. So the number is also in the description, so you can actually click it, add us to WhatsApp, and send us your content there with your Instagram name and your business name, whatever it might be. So make sure you do that. And the promotion is completely free. We just want to give back to as much persons as possible as we can. Alright? Yeah, man.
Alright, so signing out now. See you in the next video.
Yeah, or when we reach where we going? Temple Hall? Yeah. Mad thing.
Them sit down and calculate right in your back house. Them say them are your friends, but I know Say dirty yard can't sweep it, bro. But they are like the trees we can't blow, and they shall show only fade away. I know. Their meditation be so like hope, and they shall show. Give me the bass sound the road. My granny tell me, friend, don't cheap. So from the other day, you see, friend, we don't keep. A family, we say, because and everything we come and show, see by your friend. First, if you getting money, only no flash them where it's like the sheep, back a little bobby. Watch them kill, they don't quint and don't sleep. You know they sleep, you won't see. Same way, same way. Now there's a story in the news that's disturbing. A young lady, you lose her life in front of her daughter. One argument forward out say, the virgin robber and did I look something else and never get it, so him kill her. I will hard to over it. Only if you understand, see, I never really that go on. Jano. Oh man, stay some man. Level. When you are crossroad, watch out for people. In a life, you have to watch out for people. Them say watch out for wolf in a sheep clothing, but me tell you watch out for the sheep to come first and the wolf them. No for them are evil. All who you just help, claim them no need you. Yes, people always say if you watch out for fake friend, but you be careful of fake family. So hey, then I know you the rich to get free to. Cause them say man, you can't your name a street to. You better watch how you hang out and who you speak to. Granny said if you look before you leave to come up a big smile. When them agree to, them a show the 32 teeth. And you see as your back turn so them a beat you. Yo, if you don't mind shot, they will delete you. Some of them are your charges, some of them are your cheat. The one them bring you never each begin you beat. The same one them where you see for any seat. Watch out, if you see them dash where you see to say I know. Say dirty yard can't sweep it, bro. Oh, they are like the trees we can't blow, and they shall show only fade away. Say I know, say I know, say I know, Lord. Fade away, boy. Yes, massive virtual vibes, you know. I want to send up respect to down south. You know the thing on the show must go on. Yeah. Man, so. Yeah. So you are going on massive. We are doing it virtual this year because you don't know what we're going, right? So we say once again, no respect down south. No respect to the people behind the scene, in front of the scene, beside the scene, and you in front of the screen. You know everything massive, you have to find things to give thanks for. I will give thanks to the fact that we sit there, you will have life. Here man, now. Here man, go tell them, say we're winning right now, you mean. Oh, we're winning right now. We forget that show fit to what we're living right now. I said we're winning right now, yeah. Oh, we're chilling right now, Lord. Oh, we're winning right now. Our Thanksgiving right now, yeah. It's so close to winning right now, say it. Oh, yes, I'm winning. I'm winning. Winning, yes, we're winning. Oh, we're winning. Anybody on the world, they watch you now. Say I'm a walking W. Learn from the hills. We turn them in a medals in a trophy and bells. Every day you see me with them on the next level. We break records like the cracking eggshells. Every single ounce of effort we excel. Oh, it's all about progress. We have to earth in a watch. Looking like success, we dress well. Another knockout for them in the next spell. I'm about to send the haters a card to get well because them sick of it. Lord God, them so sick of it. But that's the only of it. Yes, I hate it. And the beauty we're bringing up in it. So I'm going to tell them. I said I'm winning, boy. I'm winning. Winning, yes, I'm winning. Oh, I'm winning. Big man go tell them, say we winning right now, yeah we. Oh yes, we winning right now. We forget that trophy to what we living right. If you feel like you winning, put some trophy on the screen. May I give the time, look for it, find the trophy there. If you want to find a medal, find a medal there. Man! Matter of fact, drop some flag on the screen to represent where you're forward from. Hey, watch out now. Every day you see we are the reigning champ. Had the cloud with the silver line we reigning from. If you see some of the places where we hailing from, it's just the type of place you should be failing from. But no one winning. Yes, every part and every inning. Just listen keenly to the words and that I'm singing now. You know that there's no giving in no matter the circumstances we're living in. So go go tell them, say, I'm winning, boy. I'm winning. I'm winning. Ah, yes. Say we're winning right now, yeah, we. Oh, we're winning right now. African beats, you know. And we're chilling right now, yes. Oh, we're winning right now. Let's move that part again. Chilling right now, Lord. Oh, we're winning right now. I understand, say you're winning from your living. With the love and respect. When there's a difficult time for all the people. But from your learning and lesson, you're still winning. Learn from the elders. Oh yes, we learn from the elders. Hey, watch out, and make me tell you something else. So that part I can look at. Hey, watch out, hey, watch out. We gonna go tell them, say, I'm winning. Say now, say, I'm winning. I'm winning. So, like how I did virtual, tonight is why it's reggae and dance all night. Well, may I tell you, say tonight are both of them. Reggae and dance all when I get. Watch this. Read them out. Hey, watch out, nobody, follow me, nobody, could you nobody, see you now. Alright, so right about now. For that emoji, hey, watch out. I'm on a rush, I'm like a pit bull. Mix with the ranting. Me that tell you no. Me that tell you no, say look for the dog emoji, but the dog look like a poodle or one of them dogs. Me don't see no Rottweiler upon it. You want to go on some fest? Boy, I'm on a rush, I'm like a pit bull. Mix with a ranting, come back like a rifle. Mix with a shanty, say that no problem. Love the watch you want, shanty like a beeping tom. Hey, watch a journey. Hey, trying to mix up the original with carbon copy. Never mix the marijuana plant with the poppy. I know no rent that you no figure mix up with no naughty, no fashion. Hey. Love the girls them caramel, a little coffee. Freaky when she ready, but she know when she feel classy. Talking about a slim girl, mixed with a fatty. She have a smile, yes, big body. What she says she love. Dumping on the selfish mixed with a king. Talking about the jerk chicken, more time to be a king. Then I'm an of the peanut, every day mash. What's gonna happen when the mommy mix it poppy? 9 months later, baby, wrap up in a nappy. Enough money you make, filthy rich mix with the happy. Talking about the duffel bag. Hey man, a gangster Al Capone mix with the batty. But a champion, Muhammad Ali mix with Rocky. And I mean, it's a bad apple, no chapel, they not jalapy. Pull up in our Rolls Royce. You know that one, yeah? I'm on say bang with the bang 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 bang. Gal the bang guy with the bang bang bang. Cut them low. So big fancy fish. So we got to the sang no be not. Sit over but I can see that. And it's no 1 minute matter. More like we want to talk and this.
So right now we're in Stony Hill Square. For those who haven't seen it in a while, never seen it before, this is the square. Trying to go slow enough that you can see but not to obstruct traffic. In the near future, a walk by video will be done. A walk by video will be done to show you exactly what Stony Hill Square looks like. So hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and look out for other great content to come. I don't want to spoil the surprise, but we have some wonderful videos coming up, so stay tuned as usual, and thank you so much for the support. For those of you who haven't subscribed as yet, please subscribe. Remember, subscription is absolutely free. Continue to like and to comment, and continue sending those donations. We are extremely grateful for all of them.
Yeah, man, bless up and big up every time. All of the subscribers, them all massive. Blessings in. Mad something.